Look at this lady here.
Oh man, I'm gonna miss that so much.
Well guys, the day is here. I recently accepted an offer to sell my 2010 Aqua Blue Metallic Camaro 2SS. And today is going to be the last time that I drive this car in a spirited way. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I teared up a little bit last night when I accepted the offer because, as you guys know, this has been with me for quite some time, 8 years and a half. And it has seen pretty much all of the most important events in my life. In my 20s, I have been cemented in the car community, more particularly the Camaro space because of this car. And overall, it's just been an incredible experience to own and to keep. Accompanying me on this very last and beautiful spirited drive is my friend Bryce with his gorgeous E92 M3, but it's not about that car today. It's about this car. Sorry, bro.
10,000 likes and I'll buy his car.
10,000 likes and you'll buy the car.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's possible, but if you guys want to really see this car, stay on the channel. 10,000 likes, guys. You heard it from here, from Bryce, AKA Tiger Woods, AKA BG Garage. So shake on it. This video is supposed to be for me to celebrate the end of an era and also the start of a new one. So let's go for a drive. Okay, I'm not gonna rev it in front of your face, bro.
Try to say my car before because you're not gonna hear.
Yeah. Are you rethinking your 10,000 like offer?
No, I'm chilling.
Bryce is a man of his word. That's why I'm like, damn. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that.
You know, this is honestly so insane that the car is not gonna be mine. I still can't believe it. And you know, after all this time that I've owned this car and done so many modifications, repairs, and all these things, it still doesn't feel real. It really doesn't. There's just so much emotions running through my mind because this is actually my first car that I've purchased myself. It's my first sports car, and it's really such a staple to the channel. But you guys heard the challenge, so maybe there's a possibility that we keep the car. Oh man, I'm gonna miss that so much.
I used to drive these roads all the time during the pandemic. So going on the trip down memory lane like this, it's really touching something right here, guys. Oh. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Oh no, 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 no! Nah, I want to take it easy, man, just out of respect for the next guy.
That sounded so like trying to keep a nice from the next guy. Oh shit.
This is one of the great things about this route is that you literally have like this shade, and this is like broad daylight. Well, I mean, it's kind of a cloudy day, but it just has such a contrast in lighting and shade that it makes for great pictures, videos, and just overall experiencing. Let's not forget the acoustics too.
we are entering the Coconut Grove area. This is also a place that has a lot of green and a lot of very beautiful restaurants and places where people can indulge really at any point of the week, time and day. Can't wait to be doing more POV drives with the ZL1 here. Yep, you guys are not gonna see this aqua blue metallic anymore. Not that you guys care, but ooh, it's very tight. But she holds it together. Man, that sound is just so good. I think one of the things that I'm really gonna miss about this car, well, really three things. One, that insanely loud but dynamic exhaust. Remember, it's a Texas Speed long tube headers, Flowmaster X pipe, and a Valvetronic exhaust. Oh man, I'm gonna miss that. I'm also going to miss the color. I think that's pretty much one of the best attributes of my car. I mean, I always call it my aqua blue metallic Camaro SS for a reason. And then last but not least is gonna be the coilovers, the handling. Most of the times it handles pretty good with the coilovers. Going to miss this aqua blue metallic Camaro SS, or maybe me.
Some guy is going off on somebody over the phone, so
Like, he wants a charger and his girl is not bringing it to him. So he's like, oh, if it was me, I would bring you everything.
he said that for real? Mama. It's exciting. It's still Beamer things.
Miami things, bro.
Yeah, Miami things on God, bro. Look at this lady here. So there you have it, guys. That is the last drive in my aqua blue metallic Camaro SS. As you guys could see, 8 years later, no matter the circumstance, no matter where I drive it, this car still makes me smile. So guys, I officially retire the Camaro SS. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about why I chose the Camaro and why I chose this Camaro in particular.